Southridge Mall was built back in, I believe, 1973 in the Greendale, the city of Greendale, Wisconsin, south side of Milwaukee, kind of southwest. Yeah, they had all the major chains here when it first started, you know, Boston Store, Sears, Penny's. Well, they still have J.C. Penney. They had Macy's, which then turned into Prangies, which then turned into Yonkers. Those are all gone. So I'm going to take a look inside here. I haven't been here for over 10 years. This is 2024 now, so you know how the mall situation has gone. It was really vibrant and busy back in the 70s and 80s and even part of the 90s. But now the malls are kind of dying, so I haven't looked at this one in a long time, so I'm going to go inside and see what it looks like. Come join me. Still open Monday through Saturday, 10 to 8 p.m. Sundays, 11 to 6. That's some nice murals there of Lambeau Field, American Family Field, Five-Serve Forum. I'm on the upper mall. It's a little more active here than I thought it would be. Round one. We got arcades in there, bowling. That used to be where Sears was. Still have a food court. We'll check that out later. Well, since I'm on the upper floor, just go around. This is the north end of the building. Oh, this is open till 2 a.m. over here. I didn't know they had this. An arcade center. Trying to be inconspicuous. Rock America. Get your psychedelic t-shirts. Well, I'm kind of surprised so far. I thought there would be more stuff closed up over here. Sports shop. Spencer's. They still have Spencer's here. They have all kinds of crazy stuff in there. It's still here. Here's the center of the mall. Yeah, there's well, they got that blocked off right there. Gotta go around this way, I guess. There's Penny's. Here's where Boston store used to be, where you see that big butterfly? That's where the entrance was. That's closed up. Now look at that train down there. Just kind of freelancing around. Not even on tracks. That's funny. This is a pretty active mall still. Wow, look at that dress. It's like something from a Cinderella movie or something. Closed fashion. There's some shops closed, but there's still a lot of shops open. Rose Fashion Boutique, Joe's Boots, you were reaching the south end, and Macy's is still open. That used to be Yonkers before it became Macy's over here, and before it was Yonkers it was Prangies. I know because I worked here. I worked at Prangies when it was here. Worked at Yonkers when it was here. And now it's Macy's. I'm gonna go to the lower level. Pretty big shoe store over there. Yes, my friends, they still have photo booths. Fun. Tilly's. Looks like a clothing and shoes. Stuff like that. A lot of new shops I've never heard of. Probably get a copyright. What's that? JC Penney over here. What are these? They look like, they almost look like genie lamps. Table lamps. Interesting. Kind of neat looking. Starbucks. I'm not a coffee drinker, never have been, but I know millions of people love it. And this one says store closing. The Frontline Defender. Colognes. Okay, looks like he's on a trip. Foot Locker. I think this is where they used to have KB Toys. Still kind of a toy shop, but really different. Look at these shoes, slippers. Bubblegum machines. 25, 50 cents. Used to get that for like 5 cents, 10 cents. Mrs. Fields, cookie place. This looks like the food court over here. Still have some shops open. Not that much. So on the upper level they have that round one arcade. On the lower level, Dick's Sporting Goods. This all used to be Sears, upper and lower. come over here to the food court. Still open. Just not as many options.
Oh, excuse me, sorry.
Sure, no problem. Well, that's about it. Time to call it quits, my friends. Hope you enjoyed this little short tour of Southridge Mall. They also had a Northridge Mall, but that one's been long gone and they're demolishing it now. Thank you for watching.